Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another lit video. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna be doing something that I haven't seen on YouTube. I've been looking for a video on this and I haven't been able to find one, so I know this is gonna be able to help a lot of people. So recently in my charger, right here, this is a 2012 charger, my AC went out. So I've been looking at videos on how to recharge your AC. So today we gonna be recharging this AC on the charger. You know what I'm saying? Got the AC Pro right there. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna make a quick, simple video and just showing y'all how to. I'm gonna show you how I do my recharge. You know what I'm saying, on my charger. Now I'm not an expert, so follow this advice if you want to. You know what I'm saying? But this is what I'm doing to my car. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it because I ain't seen no video out there on how to do it. So first thing, you're gonna start the car up and let it get to its normal running temperature. So it's been running for about probably like 15 minutes before I turn the camera on, so it should be good now. This is where you need to charge. This is the low side service port, I believe it's called. Y'all see it's right there. Right there at the bottom. This is the high side. Don't do that one, do the low side. And it's right down there. Right there. So it's supposed to be a cap on there, but my cap ain't on. I don't know what I did with it, but yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Yeah guys, so when you do this, your doors are supposed to be open too, so that your AC system doesn't recycle, yeah. So make sure your doors is open when you do it. Now guys, you're gonna want to turn your AC on to the highest temperature. Make sure it's on full blast. AC is on. You get it turned all the way up. You're gonna want to take the top off. Go ahead and shake it up real good. That's how you recharge the AC, man. Just go ahead and start the car up. Start the car up. Open the doors, let it get to running temperature. Make sure your compressor is running. Hook it up to the low side service valve. And go ahead and spray it in there, and once it's done, just take it off and it's done. I should have got this shit tinted. I should have got my roof. I should have got my sunroof tinted. Cause now it's dark inside the car, but this is letting so much light in. But yeah, man, I don't know if y'all heard me out there, but if you need to recharge your AC on the Dodge Charger, this is exactly how you do it. And you know, you just start the car, open the doors, let the door stay open, let the car get to its running temperature. Go ahead and get that low service. Go ahead to the low side service valve, what I showed you. Hook it up, hook that recharge up, spray it in there until it says filled on the gauge, and then take it off and you good to go. And make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I'm telling y'all, I'm bringing y'all lit shit all 2020. It's Vonte's World, man. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, like I say, man. Niggas want that pussy, nigga want that. Get your own, man. Get your own bag. Gotta be probably the only one in Michigan. Young boss nigga with a vision. Tryna stay out of penitentiary. The Maserati over here. Is them Ruchis on there? These Ruchis on the Maserati. All my niggas independent. Middle finger up like fuck the system. And a nigga in this world gon' stop me. I'm getting way too cocky. I'm getting paid to clock in. You getting paid to clock in.
I'm sitting inside a Viper right now, man. This is crazy.
I got Jamaican thotties with beautiful faces and bodies. I treat the beat like a diary.
I like that.
So check out the irony. Having my way, they niggas so sick, hepatitis C. But I give a fuck about a rivalry.
They shutting the shit down, you know.
When it comes to the hustle, I'm serving. Again, I'm monopolized. You know my guy. Real niggas all in my entourage. Can't go back no more to me dropping fries. Only go up like I'm in the sky. I only go up, bitch, I'm on the rise. We don't go back. We don't never go back. Nah, niggas want that. Pussy niggas want that. Get your own bag. Gotta get your own bag. Where you go at? Nigga, where your pros at? Young boys with a bitch. Tryna stay out of penitentiary. These niggas all they snitching. These niggas flipping like transmission. Most of these niggas fictitious. All of my niggas is
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch name Ashley.